by the learning outcome. Before we will discuss about the learning outcome, we have to discuss a few words before learning outcome. For example, one is the maximum learning outcome. What do you mean by the maximum learning outcome? In other words, we can say that this is a book. This is a book prescribed by the government of UP, and the government of UP expected from the child of class 2 and 1 that this much is your syllabus. In other words, you can say that this is the expected learning outcome or the maximum learning outcome. विभाग हमसे इतना चाहता है। एक होता है second is the minimum learning outcome. What do you mean by the minimum learning outcome? In other words, you can say that under the निपुण भारत मिशन we have given the निपुण लक्ष्य दिए हुए हमें। That निपुण लक्ष्य you can say that they are the minimum learning outcome. जब बच्चे को इतना तो आना ही चाहिए। The निपुण लक्ष्य given under the निपुण भारत मिशन they are known as the minimum learning outcome, and the books prescribed by the government of UP, or you can say that the book prescribed by the NCERT, that is the maximum learning outcome expected by the government, or you can say that this much of expected by the Department of Education. अब next is the actual learning outcome. What I know, मैं क्या जानता हूँ, that is my actual learning outcome. In other words, that is the actual learning outcome of the child. Actual learning outcome, whatever I know, जितना भी मैं जानता हूँ. And this book is the maximum learning outcome, and the निपुण लक्ष्य. In other words, you can say that the निपुण लक्ष्य app के अंदर जो भी कंटेंट दिया है, that is the minimum learning outcome. And the difference of maximum learning outcome and the actual learning outcome of the child, that is known as the learning gap या education gap. Learning gap क्या हुआ? Maximum learning outcome minus actual learning outcome. For example, if we expect 1 to 100 counting numbers from the class 2, अगर हम expect करते हैं class 2 का बच्चा 100 तक गिनती जाने, ये हमारा मैक्सिमम लर्निंग आउटकम। बट स्टूडेंट चाहता है 30 तक गिनती, तो हमारे पास गैप क्या हुआ? व्हाट इज द लर्निंग गैप? 31 to 100, दैट इज नोन एज द लर्निंग गैप। वो हमें पूरा करना है, एंड फॉर दिस लर्निंग गैप वी हैव टू प्रिस्क्राइब द ब्रिज कोर्स, है ना। एम ऑफ ब्रिज कोर्स क्या? व्हाट इज द एम ऑफ ब्रिज कोर्स? is to bridging the learning gap। उस पे आपको जो learning gap है उसको आपको bridging करनी है। bridging से मतलब है you have to make a short term course just like a remedial course। हम लोग remedial यूज करते हैं। remedial is nothing but the bridge course for the slow learners या मान लो weak student, जो हम remedial कराते हैं बीच में, that is nothing but the bridge course। वो 1-2 महीने का होता है। In other words, you can say that the program running in class 1, that is readiness program. What is the concept of readiness? उसका भी concept क्या है? Readiness का क्या है? We have to prepare, we have to make the child ready for class 1. जब वो बाल वाटिका से आता है, he is not ready for class 1. That's why we are running the readiness program for 8 weeks. So that the child can able to ready for class 1. That is also a one type of bridge course. वो भी हमारा क्या है? bridge course. तो जो learning gap है, maximum learning outcome minus actual learning outcome of the child, that is known as the learning gap। और उस learning gap को पूरा करने के लिए हमें bridge course की आवश्यकता होती है।